In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful scrunchie as well as this scrunchie. Both scrunchies use the same method, but for this one I made 2 rows and for this one I made 1 row and changed the colors. And now I'll show you how to make both. To start, make a slip knot and leave a short end. Now bring the slip knot through your hair tie like this. And insert your hook. Now we will chain 1. To chain, yarn over and pull through the loop. This is what we got now, so we have the end of the yarn and the working yarn, and we will be crocheting over the end. So we're gonna make a single crochet, and to make a single crochet you go under the hair tie, then pull up a loop like this. So we have 2 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through those 2 loops. Now we have made our first single crochet, and if you want you can insert a stitch marker into that first stitch so you will know where to connect the round at the end. And now continue making single crochets all around. Once you are at the end, press the stitches together like this and keep on crocheting until there is no more space left and the hair tie is hidden. And when you have made single crochets all around, go ahead and take out the stitch marker and work a slip stitch into that stitch. Now to make a slip stitch, insert your hook underneath the V of the stitch. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops on your hook. We have now connected the round. Now go ahead and chain 3. And insert a stitch marker into that 3rd chain. Now into the same stitch that we just made our slip stitch in, work 2 more double crochets. The chain 3 counts as our first double crochet. To make a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. So one more time, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. And now continue making 3 double crochets into each stitch around, starting with the next stitch.
beneath the thick snow blanket. You will soon be in bloom. Although he has you in his cold embrace.
Continue doing this all the way around.
Slowly break in the stillness of this winter gloom. You will.
So I'm now almost at the end, and I will just show you how to know where to stop. So here we have 3 V's from the chain 3. So that is 1, 2, 3. And before that we made a slip stitch, so that is this one. So in these 4 stitches we will not work a double crochet. So this one should be your last stitch.
Underneath the February moon, your patience on the man. Although he has you in his cold embrace, his icy grip has started to slowly break in the stillness of this winter gloom.
So I just worked my last 3 double crochets in there, and then we have the slip stitch and the chain 3. We're now going to connect around by working a slip stitch into the first double crochet that we made, so the V right above the stitch marker. If you want to make this scrunchie, you should skip the next step and go to step 5 for the border. For row 2, we basically just repeat row 1, so start by chaining 3. Take out your stitch marker and insert it into the 3rd chain. And now make 2 more double crochets into that same stitch. So we have the chain 3 and then the slip stitch, so right in here. And now continue making 3 double crochets all around, starting with the next stitch. I'm now at the end and I just worked my last 3 double crochets in here. Then we have the slip stitch and the chain 3. So I'm gonna work my slip stitch right in here. So insert your hook, but instead of yarning over, we're going to change colors. Take your new yarn and bring it over your hook like this and pull it through the 2 loops on your hook. For the border, start by chaining 1. Now take out your stitch marker and insert it into the chain that we just made. And go ahead and cut the yarn. So we'll now make a single crochet into the same stitch that we just made our slip stitch in. And bring these 2 ends with you. So to single crochet, insert your hook. So we have the new color, a stitch, and the ends. Now yarn over, pull through the stitch, yarn over, and pull through 2. And then into the next stitch. So insert your hook and bring those ends with you. Pull up a loop, yarn over, and pull through those 2 loops on your hook. And I will just cut these ends a bit shorter. Now continue making 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So I'm now at the end and I have the slip stitch left and a chain 1. So this should be your last stitch, and we're just gonna go and slip stitch into the marked stitch. So take out your stitch marker and work a slip stitch. And cut the yarn. We are now at the last step. Just go ahead and sew in the ends. And now you have a beautiful scrunchie for any occasion. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below how your scrunchie turned out and what colors you used so that we can give each other some inspiration. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you next time.